Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error Van 57 inches League of Legends. Whether you're trying to launch a game and keep getting blocked, or you simply want to make sure Riot Vanguard runs smoothly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to get back into your matches quickly. First, go to the Start menu and type Control Panel, then open it. Select Uninstall a program, and next, check your system tray in the bottom right corner. Right-click the Vanguard icon and select Exit Vanguard, then do the same for Riot games. Once that's done, go back to the control panel, find Riot Vanguard in the list, right-click it, and choose Uninstall. Press Yes to confirm, then refresh the list by pressing F5 to make sure it's completely gone. This fully removes any corrupted files causing the error. Now, open the Riot Client, select League of Legends, and click Update. This will automatically reinstall Riot Vanguard. When it finishes, don't restart your PC yet. Open the Start menu, type Services, and open it. Find VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, click Apply, and hit Start. Then click OK to finish. Next, open System Configuration from the Start menu, go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, and ensure VGC is enabled. In the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager, and make sure Riot Client Services and Vanguard VG Tray are enabled. Close Task Manager, click Apply and OK in System Configuration, and then restart your PC. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, the Van 57 error should be fixed. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might need it. Good luck in your next match.